Now click the sprite to translate from English to Chinese. Now enter the message you want to translate in the space below. Hello.
你好
Now click the sprite to translate from English to French. Comment ça va?
Hi guys, welcome to Coding with Scratch with DD&D. My name is Daiki Sikana, and I am so excited to bring episode 2 of our coding video series. In the other episode, we learned how to print hello on the screen, get the sprite to move, and also animate the sprite too. Please go and check the other video out if you have not seen it already. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos on robotics, drones, and coding like this one. Today we will learn how to program Scratch to translate from one language to another. We will use the online mode. Today we only need two things, the computer and internet connection. But if you don't have internet, you can just use the one you downloaded. First of all, open your browser and type scratch.mit.edu. So, I'm gonna do that now. Okay. Now click Start Creating to continue. This will open our Scratch editor. This screen is split into 3 sections. On the left hand side, we have these tabs, the code, costumes, and the sound tabs. In the middle, we have the coding area. And on the right hand side, we have the stage at the top with our sprite and backdrop, and the sprite info pane below. Now let's start by choosing our sprite. And then add the backdrop. We can choose the bedroom background. Then we drag the save block from the looks palette to the coding area. And type click me to translate from English to Chinese. We want to run our program by clicking the green flag. So we'll add a control block when the green flag is clicked on top of the save block. We will also add text-to-speech to say it out loud. Let's go to the text-to-speech from the Add Extension button on the left bottom corner of the screen. Now drag speak block and type again. Drag the speak block and type the same thing that I told you. Click me to translate from English to Chinese. You can also copy and paste the save block. Let's add the set language block and set English. Now we can test it by clicking on the green flag.
Click to translate from English to Chinese.
We can see the message showing and also hear the text-to-speech. And we'll see what happens when we change this language from English to Chinese.
Click to translate from English to Chinese.
Can you hear the Chinese accent? The purpose of the set language block.
Click to translate from English to Chinese.
You can change it back to English or keep the Chinese. Now let's code the next script to translate. We will add another control block when this sprite is clicked. And then we will drag the X block and type Enter the message you wish to translate in the space below. Let's test this one too by clicking on the sprite this time. This will only display the text, but we also want it to say it out loud. So again, we will add text to speech block and copy the same text there. We can click the sprite again to test so that any mistakes you have made, you can just fix it up. This time we will see the text display and hear the text to speech too.
Enter the message you want to translate in the space below.
And we will see the space below where we will type our question to be translated. Again, let's click the Add Extension button. Here we will choose the Translate extension. But we also want our program to say it out loud. So we will add the text to speech code and add our answer block there. You remember the ask block that allows you to enter the message on the space below. The message you enter is the answer, which will be translated. Let's drag the answer block from the sensing palette. Since we want the answer to be printed on the screen, we need the say block. Now let's drag the say block from the looks palette. And now we'll drag the translate block into the say block and add our answer block there. We can test the first part of our code now. Click on the green flag. You will see click me to translate from English to Chinese.
Now click to translate from English to Chinese. Now enter the message you want to translate in the space below.
This will show the space where we can enter the message we want to translate. Let's type hello, and this will be translated in Chinese.
Hello.
你好
Now enter the message you want to translate in the space below. Thank you.
谢谢
Let's go through the code line by line. We have created two different codes. One that runs when we click the green flag. This has 4 lines, including the control block on top of it. The second block prints to the screen. The third block sets the language, and the fourth block is text to speech and says it out loud. The other script runs when the sprite is clicked, and this has 7 different lines. The second block speaks it out loud. The third block prints it on the screen and displays your space for you to type your question. The fourth block will say it out loud, say your answer out loud, and the block 5 will print it on the screen and wait for 2 seconds. Block 6 will translate it to Chinese and print it on the screen, and block 7 will say it out loud in Chinese. That's it for today. You can also try this at home. This time, let your script translate from English to French or any other language you like. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers this month. And click the bell below so you don't miss any future videos. Bye-bye.